President Museveni okuhabura abantu kuruga mu nshozi n'obwabire nagambire nkuyanja y'abantu abetabira omuhururu yo kurwanisa obworo ahari Muruku Sports Ground omuri Mbale City. President Museveni sabiteji ajumazira omucanga cya Bugisu kandi hona habwira abantu okukozesa gye emyanya y'ebyobuhangwa nk'enshozi na n'ebishara.
Please don't stay in the steep areas.
Alomati mukabako mu bitu biri mungaji muzikungu dawe.
God did not plan for people to stay in the steep areas.
Katonda kakulomati batu baze babe muzinyingi ziri hangaji nabida.
He wanted it to be for another purpose, for forest, for water, for other work, not for human settlement.
Mba program ya Parish Development Model, President Museveni nagira ngo government nebwe ko ba etonjire sente zindo program eji ngo miliyoni ganiza rukuta omurubumuruka omyaka 10 burumuruka nuguza ko bagwine banki yagwe erumu biliyoni 1 na miliyoni rukaga.
So this is your money, please make sure you guard it properly.
Balebezi no siringize fe kubone kuti kuzitako bulindi kuzirinde zireka kubanga zigota dawe.
Even if we don't increase the money,
wadenga bachi kuzongerako,
if we maintain 100 million per year per parish,
kasaba banga zisigalanga ziri miliyoni 10 buli muruka.
In 10 years,
mu myaka 10
the parish will be having a bank of 1.6 billion shillings.
Buli muruka kunabanga guli ni banka ye billion indwe nani ni milioni rukaga.
So you don't have to borrow from the money lenders or even from the commercial banks.
Abebembeza omucanga cya Bugisu basimire enjiri ya President Museveni ahabwa programu na munongeze ziyambere kwereza emyete emyoga eyo kubayamba kwetandikira kw'emirimo.
Bwana President, you know very well that when you are starting your struggles, Maruku was one of the places that you really loved to stay. So we welcome you so much.
Papa umukuka nabakesile ndi mwenayo mwanyala kukwa nira President Museveni wefe imasaba.
President Museveni wanatongweze sako ya Bugisu Ghetto Youth Sako kanda yacire n'abantu abegesera hakibina cha NRM kurugome bine bindi.
NRM Bugisu Sub-Region
amakuru agagasha kwa Sengendo Abdul Karimu.